If I say you should pronounce it like this. Ice cream, you should also do. Ice cream, you scream. We all ice cream for ice cream.
it it is not understandable. And
Yeah.
really, so good evening, sir.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? I'm visual audible to you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So, so good
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am. Very good evening to you, ma'am. Yeah, it's very good. How are you?
Okay. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing well. Thank you for asking, ma'am. So, would you like to introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm Preeti and I'm an English teacher. I work in a private school. I'm from Haryana. And if I talk about my educational qualification, I have done MBA, MA English, and BEd. Apart from teaching, I run my two YouTube channel. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel, and another one is Easy Way Blog, that is my blogging channel. That's all about me. If you want to
Wow.
ask, free to ask.
No, ma'am. Nice. Would you like to know me about?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Raju Kumar from Bihar. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my 10th and 12th class from my native place. Now I am pursuing engineering, third year. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people, as well as I have a YouTube channel. There I'm uploading this type of conversation video like same you. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Great.
Yeah,
Okay, you are from Bihar, right?
yeah, I'm from Bihar.
Okay, okay. And at present, you are doing your BTech engineering.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. In which stream you are doing?
I'm doing aeronautical engineering, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay.
I
So,
think
what is your aim in life?
you know this branch. I think
Yeah, about, can you detail it?
aerospace engineering, like a research field.
Yeah, about
Yeah, like
research.
aero.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. So, from where you are doing it?
from South India, Chennai.
Okay, 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 okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so what is your goal? Like you are doing engineering and as well as you are running YouTube channel. So what is the combination of YouTube and engineering and why you are on YouTube? It means what is your goal in life and what you want to do?
Actually, I want to go in research field, but if I go in research field, but my if I not have English skills, communication skills, how can I research and how can we communicate with people and how can I research people? So my in front of the people. That's why I'm learning and motive that why create the YouTube channel as well as if the my branch there. If I know not go in my department field in job purpose, then I have a one skills to use my life. That's why the reason I created YouTube channel and practice there.
But you know it very well on YouTube. You have to be consistent. You have to be regular there. So how you
Yeah,
manage your study as well as your YouTube task?
sometimes I couldn't manage, but yeah, sometimes I manage everything, all things YouTube because my college is going on 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock evening 5 o'clock. After that,
Yeah.
I will be free. I will be free and do some other work also in YouTube or other work study like this. But nowadays my college is off, holiday for the given Monday the class will be open. That's why I'm doing practice right now. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
great. That's great. Okay. Okay, okay. So, who inspired you to start YouTube, or you? It's your inner spirit. Like I had to enhance my speaking, and for that I just start YouTube channel. From where you get the motivation?
Actually, I know this about the YouTube. I have already started my YouTube channel with dancing. There, what happened there? I have uploading the so many video in dancing group, but there is copyright coming. So then I thought my channel divided going to destroy, not going to grow because the copyright. One day this strike will channel also definitely will come if I do regular these things. That's why I leave that channel. And then I thought one day, someone I went in one marriage. Okay, there someone speaking in a staff in English, abusing in English. Then that time I thought, if I know English, then I will definitely he will reply. I will reply him. Why you are saying these things? That day I'm inspired and learning this language. Actually, also one more reason, my college is fully English medium. There
Mm-hmm.
everyone is speaking English in my friend and my classmate, in my teacher, everyone. That's why I'm learning and speaking.
Hmm. So I think like you are doing engineering BTech there, and your stream is also very nice. So there also you can do practice with your learner, with your students, your classmates, and with professors. So that is, do you do practice there?
Yeah, sometimes I did practice, but sometimes I did not do practice. But yeah, every day I listen the English, and every day actually class is fully going on English medium. Actually, there in South Indian people there is no one know Hindi.
Hmm. Yeah,
That's
that's
the
why I'm
reason.
asking, because there is a environment of English. You can easily connect with them.
Yeah, there everyone is speaking in English, and no one know Hindi. If you speak anything in Hindi, just see watching your face what you are saying.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah,
It happens many places where Hindi is not the first language or second language, maybe. But yes, we are Indian, and for Indian, I think in most of states, Hindi is first language there. As a
yeah.
native language, we are speaking it.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
if I talk about South India, there only few people know Hindi. Otherwise, only the people know local language there. And English know
Mm-hmm.
everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Kerala, Bangalore, Chennai, 80%, 90% people know English. But if I talk about
Yeah.
South India side, North Indian side, only few people know. 5%, 10% people know. Even the people completed the PhD degree, BCom, honors, ABCD, A to Z, but they can't speak in English. They can't even write in English, and also they can't communicate with English. This is the reason in North Indian side. But if I talk about South India side, there everyone, whatever your language, they connect easily, communicate with easily. This is the
Mm-hmm.
fact I see there.
Yeah. Because in South India, in most of places, have English is their first language. English is easily spoken there.
Yeah.
This is also the main reason. So, how do you do practice on daily basis?
Actually, I was a fully Hindi medium student. Sometimes I practice itself in front of the mirror. Whenever, actually, I have also one more problem. Sometimes I did not speak correct pronunciation because my tongue only for Hindi medium, Hindi medium tongue twist like this. Sometimes I did tongue twister word and sentence. This is the
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing practice. Yeah.
Okay, so how you are improving to enhance your vocabulary or your pronunciation problem? What you are doing to
Yeah, I am doing
hmm.
regular. I am doing regular. For enhance my vocabulary also, I take every day 5 words and speak five, make sentence to 50, 100 sentence like this.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
that's
is
great. 5 words are enough, I think, because every day if you are learning 2 words, then those are enough.
yeah,
Because
and
once
after
you
that,
are, yeah, once if you are reading them, then it is important to pronounce them again and again, utilize them in their sentences in your
yeah,
speaking part.
yeah, yeah. But actually, we don't have too much time to read these things. Yeah, I'm practice only practical. Go and talk to people in front of the classroom and whatever. I always sit to my friend is always sit to there. The people are speaking English. They
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, if we talk about the pronouncing problem, so what you are doing to improve the pronunciation?
Pronunciation doing for I'm doing tongue twister.
Okay, 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 okay. Which type of twister you are using? Do you use in your have you done using in their previous videos anywhere?
No, I
Okay,
didn't
okay,
say. No one asked
okay.
like this. You are the one
Yeah,
will asking. Yeah, I'm glad.
yeah. Actually, I also heard about the tongue twister because it is the general problem of pronouncing and MTI issues, especially in India, because in every
Yeah,
state have different MTI issues. Same in Haryana, Bihar, UP, everywhere. And you know
yeah,
what I personally feel like whenever I connect with the another person, so most of persons found from UP. So UP persons have also their MTI issues. So generally, I ask like how you are removing it because it's a general question of most of persons.
yeah.
So what you do?
Sometimes I practice like a foreigner British tongue twister like this. If I say uh, uh, can camera can cancer like you, this pronunciation, you remove your kha sound, kha sound. Sometimes we are not speak kha sound in correct way. That's why that sometimes. And one more also.
Hmm.
Uh, ice cream, you scream, we all ice cream for ice cream. These things doing practice in not a slowly. I'm speaking very fastly.
It is
This is
I.
this is not right meaning. You can't find it this meaning. This meaning this is only for the tongue twister.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you search in that meaning, you confuse. What is the meaning?
Okay. Okay. Please repeat again.
Yeah. Ice cream, you scream, we all ice cream for ice cream.
Ice cream.